Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Park the 2016 GMC Canyon on level ground, shift to park, and set the parking brake before you begin. Sit in the driver's seat and close all doors so the vehicle electronics behave normally. Turn the ignition to on by pressing the key or start button once so dash lights and the driver information center power up. Do not start the engine. If your steering wheel buttons differ, keep the owner's manual handy to identify the right controls before the reset step. Use the right side steering wheel controls to operate the driver information center. The arrows and check button navigate menus. Press the up or down arrows until the display shows oil life and the percent remaining, for example 12% or 100%. Pause on the oil life screen so the value is visible. Many owners find holding the display for a second clears selection errors. Confirm the display reads oil life percent before moving to the reset action to avoid resetting the wrong parameter. With the oil life percent displayed, press and hold the checkmark or SET button on the steering wheel for about 5 seconds. Continue holding until the display changes. The driver information center will confirm the reset and the oil life percent will update to 100%. After the reset, start the engine and recheck the dash to verify oil life reads 100% and no maintenance reminders remain. If the display does not update, turn ignition off. Wait 10 seconds, then repeat the hold procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.